everyone, welcome back to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how to create TikTok account with Facebook. Now to do that, open the TikTok application. Once you open the TikTok app, tap on the profile on the bottom right. Now here on this page, you will need to click on sign up to create a new account. Tap on sign up. It will direct you to this page where you will be able to create a new TikTok account. So this video is about how to create TikTok account with Facebook. For you to do that, what you need to do is you need to tap on the option continue with Facebook. Tap that. This will link your TikTok with your Facebook account that you have signed in the application of yours in your mobile device. So this is the current Facebook account that is logged in into your Facebook application in your mobile device. So this is the account that you want to connect it with the TikTok. You need to tap on continue as hope. And right after you do that, you will be able to create your account through the Facebook. For that, provide the details of date of birth. Then tap on next. And there you can see your account is ready. This is the account that you have created through the Facebook account of yours. So this is how you can create a TikTok account through the Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.